Now next to me here is a fence made out of Pachycereus marginatus, otherwise known as the Mexican fence post cactus. And so the reason it's called Mexican fence post cactus is because in Mexico, they actually use it as a fence post, okay? We're in Mexico, and they're using it as a fence post. And one of the other cool things that you see as well, it's not here at this particular location, but some of the other plants that they use for fence posts are Bursera and Fouqueria. And so what people will do is they'll take cuttings of the Fouqueria and of the Bursera, and then they'll plant it as fence posts along with the barbed wire. And what happens is they root and end up growing, and so you have a living fence. So you can actually see here that the barbed wire is literally wrapped around the Pachycereus marginatus, and they literally are using it just like they're using these wooden fence posts here. So if you didn't know, now you know. That's why they call it a Mexican fence post cactus.